Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoint and welcome back to another video. So this is my silver play button which I recently received from YouTube for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now I wasn't going to make a video about this, I really wasn't, but after sharing a couple of photos over on Instagram and the community tab here on YouTube, so many asked for this unboxing video, so here it is. But I just wanted to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who's taken the time to watch, like, comment and subscribe to my channel over the last 18 months. So today I'll do a quick unboxing, but I'm also going to give you a little bit of history about myself and my channel, some of my tips on growing your own channel, how to order this play button, and the future plans for my YouTube channels. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get this opened up and take a look at this award. So a massive thanks to Rick for inspecting and packaging the award. Then we've got this letter here from the YouTube CEO, basically congratulating me for passing 100,000 subs. And here's the award. So it's a lot lighter than I was expecting, but it feels really nice. It's actually made from nickel and it's got like a nice brushed metal look to it. Then in the middle, we've got this presented to SpawnPoint for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is awesome. I actually feel really proud of this. It feels more than just a social media following count. It kind of feels like a real achievement. But quickly looking around the award itself, you've got this little play icon mounted inside this kind of polished chrome or mirror-like finish. As you can see here, it's slightly raised, but this looks really nice. Around the back, we've got this felt backing, and it's got some kind of mounting holes as well if you want to hang it on a wall. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty clean looking, and it feels really solid. Now, while I was waiting for this to arrive, I actually watched a video from What's Inside, and they actually show you how these buttons are made and printed at the YouTube headquarters. So if you're interested in that as well, definitely check out that video. So the final thing to do for me is to decide where I'm actually going to display this. It's probably going to go above my desk, either on the wall or on the shelf here. But what do you think? Now, I'm actually going to be making some changes to my desk setup. So if you follow me for a while, you would have noticed I've already changed a few things over the last week or two, but I will do an up-to-date setup tour in a few weeks. So you might be wondering why and when I created this channel. Well, I actually created it originally back in 2018, but I didn't upload my first video until October 2019, and that was an unboxing for the LifeX Beam. Then I made 2 more videos in December 2019, and that was about my new car that I'd picked up at the time. So at the very beginning when I set it up in 2018, my original plan was to actually make this into a gaming channel, and it was somewhere where I was going to upload gameplay videos for the PlayStation 4. Then I thought, actually, I'm going to make this into a Tesla channel, so I would cover my Tesla journey, hopefully helping out UK owners in the future. And then finally, I started uploading kind of tech unboxings and reviews for phones and gadgets and so on. And I decided, actually, I'm just going to make it a tech channel. I'm going to showcase any unboxings, any products I buy, as well as my Tesla journey along the way. So I ended 2019 on 300 subs, and to be honest, I was amazed I'd got to 300 subs already with just those 3 videos. And that's when I decided to set myself a goal for 2020. So at the end of 2019, I'd said, I need 10,000 subs by the end of 2020, and I have to upload a video every single week with no excuses. I kind of believe that if I could make a habit out of creating videos each week, it would eventually be easier and probably come a little bit more naturally to me. And that's what I did. So every week of 2020, I uploaded a video. And these videos varied massively. So if you've been around for a while, you could have seen anything from me, including Tesla experience videos, maybe some tech unboxings, including, I don't know, iPhones and headsets, my TV reviews as well. I've done some setup tours, whether that's the LG OLEDs and some Samsung TVs, maybe even a desk setup video, or possibly my 1,000-mile road trip that I did in the summer last year. So all of these videos varied massively. Now, let me know in the comments if you can actually remember which video that you first watched on my channel. I'm always interested to know what your first experience was. So coming up with the video ideas is actually half the battle. So I actually have a spreadsheet and it's got a list of all the ideas that kind of come to mind, and I kind of mark them off as I go. Now, I actually have an entire video on this channel. I did this about 3 or 4 months ago now, and it shows my entire creative process, right from the idea to scripting, recording and editing and uploading. So if you haven't seen that already, definitely go and watch that. And also, again, if you didn't know this already, I actually use an iPhone to record every single video that you see on this channel. So it's definitely worth checking that video out. But anyway, so I had my target of 10,000 subs for the end of 2020, but come June 2020, I'd already hit 10,000 subscribers. And at the end of 2020, I actually ended on 50,000 subs. So honestly, my mind was blown that so many people genuinely liked my videos enough to hit that red button and subscribe to the channel. I'm literally a nobody. Then at the end of 2020, I set myself another goal for 2021, and that was to double my subscriber count, so from 50,000 to 100,000 subscribers. I felt this was kind of a stretch goal at the time, but by the end of April 2021, I'd already hit that 100,000, and that's where we are today. So we are now unboxing that silver play button for 100,000 subs. Well, if you've made it this far into the video, there's a good chance you're a genuine supporter for me, so I just want to say thank you. Like, honestly, thank you for watching my content. Thanks for following along with my content each week. Now, if you're looking to start your own channel, let me give you some advice. Now, I'm not selling you anything. I've got nothing to sell you. I'm not doing any courses or anything like that. Now, I'm not a guru. I'm not claiming to be. I also don't think I'm a very big channel. I think I've maybe got a little bit lucky over the last year. But if I can help just one person with your own channel, that's awesome. That's what I want to do. So firstly, create the content that you want to create. What are you currently doing that you enjoy? What are you good at? Is it gaming, cooking, football? Anything that you're good at or you have a passion for, there is an audience for it. It already exists, or you can build it yourself. Turn that experience or passion into content. Someone out there will watch it. Secondly, don't worry about, but it's already been done, or someone else is doing it. It really doesn't matter. My content is not original. Someone else has already unboxed the items I'm showing you. Somebody else has already done a desk setup video, sometimes even years before. But just be yourself and give your own opinion and your own spin on it. Next, don't worry about the equipment. If you've got a phone, an iPad or a laptop, you can create content if you want to. You don't need to show your face. You could just do a screen capture. I mean, I don't show my face in any of these videos. You also don't need the newest camera or the latest iPhone. Just use what you've got. Whatever you've got in your pocket right now, just use that to get started. Again, the other video on my channel shows exactly what I use each week. And finally, build a community. Now, this is tough because it's the whole chicken and the egg situation. But if you engage with your audience, if you comment right now on this video, there's a 99% chance that I will see and reply to it within a day. Oh, and if you do get any hate messages on your videos, just click that hide user from channel button, and you and everybody else will never see their comments again. Now, I use this feature a lot. I used to give people a few chances, so they'd say a few negative things or they'd leave some hate comments, but now you've got one chance. Now, I know that sounds really, really harsh, but the chances are if someone has the mindset of leaving a negative comment on your videos, they're not going to suddenly change their view of you as a creator. So just block them and move on. And one more thing, enjoy it. Don't get fixated on the views, the subs, or the money. Focus on the creative process. What is the message that you want to actually send? What's the message that you want to show in your videos? I know it's easier said than done, but just concentrate on creating the content. Well, if you made it this far in, you might actually be wondering how you get a play button from YouTube. Well, firstly, it's free. You don't need to pay for it, but YouTube don't send it to you automatically. You actually do need to apply for it. So once you hit that 100,000 mark, YouTube should reach out to you within about 2 to 3 weeks to confirm you're eligible. You'll then get an email and a message inside the studio area, and that will contain a voucher code, which you then need to go onto the website and redeem it. Now, unfortunately, they never actually contacted me, so I had to jump on their live chat and I asked for their help, and this is where I got the voucher. Then you just go to the provided URL, you type in your voucher, your personal information, and what you want the award to say. So obviously I wanted my channel name on it, so I've put SpawnPoint, but you could put your real name instead. Then about 10 days later, it turned up. So in total, it took about 5 weeks from passing the 100,000 mark to receiving it at my address. So what does the future hold for SpawnPoint? Well, I've got 3 channels now on YouTube. You've got this channel. This is my main tech channel. This is where I do content for unboxings and reviews, Tesla, setups, and so on. Then there's my SpawnPoint gaming channel, and that's where I regularly upload gameplay videos for either the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X. And then finally, I've got my SpawnPoint Extra channel, and this is where I upload videos that are a little bit shorter, and they don't really justify a dedicated video on my main channel. So I'm going to add things on there like my TV settings or how I edit in Final Cut Pro. They're usually about 2 to 3 minutes long. So go and subscribe to those 2 channels as well if you haven't already. But in terms of the future of this channel, I just want to keep creating weekly videos about things I buy or things that I like. I want to keep it honest, and I want to answer as many of your questions along the way. Well, that's it for today's video. So whether you are a supporter of my channel or you're just interested in knowing how to create content for your own channel, I hope this video was useful. Any questions, just drop them in the comments, but otherwise, let me know which video you watched first on my channel. And thanks again. Next stop is 1 million subs. So let's put a goal in place now. Let's say by 2028, that's 7 years away, I would like to hit 1 million subs. Let's see if we can do it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. You can also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.